So I'm just cleaning here. I have to take pictures of everything today. We had a lady yesterday who said that her bathroom wasn't done. She called the boss and said her bathroom wasn't done at all. I spent a good half hour in there. So the boss, one of my bosses, is like, no, I checked her work. And she's like, it was done. And so I said to her, she goes, yeah. She goes, when I first came in, this lady's like, hey, they said yesterday we didn't do their bathroom. So they're like, is there another bathroom you're talking about? And the customer is like, no, we're talking about this bathroom. So I said, hey, you can't take this personal. I said, don't take it personal. That's one thing I've learned in the cleaning business. You can't take it personal, People lie all the time. So, so she's like, yeah, but it looks bad on me. And I'm like, well, I can't control their lies. I can't. So my boss is like, you didn't do that bathroom. I'm like, yes, I did. And she's like, they said you didn't. Let me show you the picture. And there's all this mud in the tub, right? So it's a setup, right? So I'm like, hey, I said, I can't control their lies. And she's like, why would they lie? And I'm like, who knows why they would lie? And I'm thinking, probably because they want another free clean, right? Because we got to go back there and they want their place clean again. But I couldn't say it or I would have been in trouble. So, and then she's like, and you didn't do that stove yesterday. Something like that. And I'm like, yeah, I did. And so then my other coworker had told her yesterday. Yes, she did. She's like, I saw her. So she's like, I've had more complaints in the last 3 days than I've had in 6 months. Obviously, this is a setup, right? And this is what happens in the cleaning business. People know people. The paperclip story I told you about. People know people. Anyway, so she's like, oh, and then that lady said you didn't do her shower. I'm like, I spent a half hour in the shower cleaning it, and this other girl checked it and said it was fine. And I said, so you need to communicate, what your expectations are. Because you're telling me the work is good. And she's like, well, she's leaving. That girl's leaving, so she doesn't care. And I'm like, well, it was done. And she's like, well, she said it wasn't done. So this is the way this job is going. All of them have some crazy stuff. So I'm like, today I'm like, do I still want to work here? And obviously, it's discouraging, right? When you work and people are making up stuff. But I'm just like, she says, if things don't go smoothly today, we're going to make changes. And, I like her. She's a nice lady, the boss, classy. But she's the type you can't really talk to. You can't really say anything or else. So, not sure how this job is going to go. But I'm at this house right now cleaning, and I'm told to take pictures of everything.